Hi students, welcome back to a new grammar class. In this class, we will learn in detail about the types of phrases. This is actually a continuation of the previous class. Please watch the video on word, phrase, clause and sentence before watching this video. The link will be updated in the description box below. Phrase is a group of words within a sentence. A phrase can perform many functions in a sentence. A phrase does not contain a subject or a finite verb of its own. Example, the sun rises in the east. The cat ran after the rat. In these sentences, the words highlighted in red are the phrases. The important types of phrases are noun phrase, adjectival phrase, adverbial phrase, infinitive phrase, phrase with gerund, verb phrase, and prepositional phrase. Noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of a noun. It may act as the subject or the object of the sentence. Let us see some examples. I like watching movies. Getting up early is a healthy habit. In the first sentence, watching movies is the noun phrase and it acts as the object of the sentence. In the second example, the group of words getting up early is the noun phrase and it acts as the subject of the sentence. Adjective phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective. Example, I bought a gold chain. In this sentence, the word gold is the adjective. I bought a chain made of gold. Here, the group of words made of gold is the adjectival phrase. Let us see another example. She is a blue-eyed girl. In this sentence, the word blue is the adjective. She is a girl with a blue eye. Here, the group of words with a blue eye is the adjectival phrase. Adverb phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adverb. Let us see some examples. The soldiers fought bravely. Here, the word bravely describes how the soldiers fought. Hence, it is the adverb. The soldiers fought in a brave manner. In this sentence, the group of words in a brave manner is the adverbial phrase. Educationists speak wisely. Here, wisely is the adverb. Educationists speak with wisdom. In this sentence, speak with wisdom is an adverbial phrase. Infinitive phrase is a group of words beginning with an infinitive, that is, to plus verb. Example, to walk, to watch, to play, etc. It may be a noun, an adjective, or an adverb in a sentence. Example, children like to watch cartoons. Banks offer loan to help the poor. Gerund phrase is a group of words with a gerund. A gerund phrase acts as a noun in the sentence, which may be the subject or the object. For example, I like watching comedy shows. In this sentence, watching is the gerund and watching comedy shows is the gerund phrase. Waking up early is good for health. Here, waking is the gerund and waking up early is the gerund phrase. A verb phrase consists of a main verb and helping verbs. For example, I am going to temple now. Here, going is the main verb. Am is the helping or auxiliary verb. And am going is the verb phrase. He has completed his homework. Here, has completed is the verb phrase. The players have been playing since morning. In this sentence, have been playing is the verb phrase. Prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and contains a noun or a pronoun. Let us see some examples. I place the water pot on the table. Here, on is the preposition. On the table is the prepositional phrase. There is a bridge across the river. Here, across is the preposition. Across the river is the prepositional phrase. Having learnt about the various types of phrases in detail, here are a few exercises for you to solve. Here are the answers for the previous video's exercises. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.